Why did I smell that? Hello, it's Alex. The Micra is out and I was going to look at changing the door. But I don't think I can. I think the wing might have to come off, which is very annoying. Oh well, if I can't do the door, then I shall look at getting this headlight out. I had a quick look in the manual and it says take this out. Oof. Can't find any of my tools, you know. Oh, the screwdriver's poo. I found my tools, my tool roll. But I can't find my new little set, so I have another little set here that I bought. This was more expensive, it was like $12.99. The last set I bought was $8.99 with a ratchet, but I can't find it. I'm guessing Lyndon's borrowed it or something. Oh, that fits better. It's so windy. Sorry about the wind. Oh, that was easy. Side light out. Got to take the grill out, but it looks like it's on its way out anyway. Strange. I'll show you. So holding the grill in at the bottom is these little square things, and you turn them with a screwdriver, so when they're like that they hold the grill in, and then you turn them so the thingies come out that square hole, and then inside under the bonnet there's little clips that you loosen off to pull the grill out. Very basic. Now to get the headlamp out, apparently we've got to take that spring off and undo that bolt, which looks a little bit rusty. Will the rusty 10mm come undone? Oof. Looks promising. She is. Now what? There it is. It's full of water, this light. Looks like the wiring's short. So when you take the headlight out, you took the spring off, you take that bolt out, and then you've got this little hook here. Sorry. Excuse me. This little hook here hooks over an adjuster screw. So you don't have to undo the screw, just unhook it from the screw. And then you've got another screw, adjuster screw at the bottom that this is hooked on. Wow, here we go. I wonder how the water's got in here. The bulb's fine. Oh, there's not loads of water in there, just a dribble. Oh, there we go. Just like Ricky's Allegro. There we are. I think what I'll do. Why did I smell that? It's disgusting. What I'll do is I think I'll go and wash this with warm water. Warm, clean water. And perhaps let it dry out in the house. And then once it's dry, I think I'll put sealer around the edge in case it's got a leak there. It can't have got in where the bulb goes because I had that big rubber boot on and it's all really dry. Well, that's one job off the list. There we are, all clean. I'm just going to let it dry out. I've stuck the hairdryer in it to dry most of it out. It's still a bit damp, so it can stay in here for a few days and dry out. And then I'll put sealant around it. Here's the replacement door for the Micra. It's all dressed up. I've put all the interior fixings on it and I put the glass in. Door handle and the lock's in, but I will have to take it back out because this door has got to be painted. We could do with finding some new weather strips because they're a bit rubbish. Trip to the scrapyard again soon. But yeah, I don't know how we're going to fit this door. I need to get Lyndon on the case, I think. And down here, I'm going to take this little wheel arch liner off if I can to see. Like I say, I think this wing's got to come off. It's so annoying. I might not have to take it all the way off. If I can just get in there and have a look. What a rubbish thing. Plastic screws. All screws should be stainless. Ugh. Very annoying. I think there's one under here as well. Yes. I'm in. I might be able to get to the door hinges through this liner. Yeah, I think so. I've been very lazy and didn't take it off fully. I think there's only one more screw. But yeah, I pulled it out the way, the wheel arch liner. I took apart all these and this little thing fell out as well. But good news is, if you can see, I can get to the door hinges. Yay! I think I can get the door off without taking the wing off. Amazing. I've got 3 of the bolts out. So this door is held on by a bungee and 1 bolt. I'm really worried that I'm going to take this last bolt out and it's just going to go boom and fall off. Let's see what happens. It's out. I did it. The horrible rotten door is off. And we now have a beach buggy. I'm really happy under here. Although there's a little bit surface rust, it is absolutely solid. You know, the wing is solid, all the sill is solid. I don't know why that one door was just so blimmin' awful. Yes, I'm glad that's off. I'm going to try and put the new door on myself, but it could all end in tears. Check strap that's been a bugger. What a shame. There's something to do with the check strap. I don't know if this one's seized or what. So the check strap on the new door had come out too far, so I just had to hold it with some mole grips and knock it back down into its recess, I guess. So let's try again. Fit it. So it went click onto its catch over there. That's the only thing that's holding it on. I just got the first bolt started. Yay! It might actually work. Yes, I've got one in the top hinge as well. Oh, thank God for this. Brilliant. Well, the door is on, but the door was sort of sticking out a bit and wasn't in line with the wing. So I've just put a wind bag behind here to push the wing out, to bring it out further than the door, and just sort of try and stretch the panel. Probably come back to it tomorrow and have another play with it. But although it looks like a massive gap, it is a big gap on the other side as well. But it's, you know, looks okay. Catches a little bit on that corner. I think it still needs playing with a little bit. But hey, it's not rotten. That's it for today. I'm going to tidy up and go and do my dinner. Thanks for watching.